Okay, ladies and gentlemen, Paul Chamberlain, the Air Force guy, coming to you from Beckley's Camping Center today to talk to you about the 337 RLS Reflection fifth wheel. Now, for more information on this camper or any others, be sure if you call, if you email, or if you stop by, you ask for Paul, the Air Force guy. But let's get on to this camper. Okay, so this Reflection fifth wheel, it's a 337 RLS. Overall length 35.6, dry weight's about 10.6. As you can see, you're going to have a full folded molded fiberglass cap up front. This is going to have two awnings on this coach with the LED lights on them. That's going to give you more room on the outside under the cover, as well as your outside stereo speakers. You can see your storage underneath is massive. Tons of storage. You're going to have auto leveling system. This thing is a 4-season camper. You have a battery disconnect under there, making it easy. And the other nice thing is they put a little LP connection port right here in the event that you would like to have a little outside grill here. Coming back through the back here, as you can see, the second awning with the LED lights. Nice windows for great ways to look out at your campsite, get plenty of natural light. And of course, you're going to notice the ladder on the back, nice crowned roof, so you're able to get, the water's going to run off the roof, not sit up there and puddle up. It's already wired and framed for the rear vision, rear observation camera. Now you notice that there is no bumper, but you do have a hitch receiver on the back here. The benefit there, you can put what we call a tray or mother-in-law seat back there to put, you know, a generator if you want to take it, wood, coolers, whatever you'd like. Now, because they have that and no bumper, there is another storage place for your sewer hose, and it's on the other side, very conveniently located. So let's get on the inside and take a look and see what we're taking a look here. So you notice that this has the lighter weight steps. Very easy to open and close. As you come in, first thing you'll be doing will be coming in and looking into this area here behind the cabinet, so it's up out of the way. This is where you put the slides, your awnings out. Well, one of your awnings anyway. Put on your awning light, as well as, you know, checking your levels, water heater, and so forth. Now let me give you kind of a little look at what you've got through here. Notice how the island cabinet is a different color than the rest. So they're bringing in what they typically do in these multi-million-dollar homes in the kitchen area. You're going to see you have the sofa in the back there, and that does open up into a tri-fold sofa. Storage on both sides, as well as 110 outlets. And look at the windows you have. Lots of windows throughout the whole camper. There's your windows looking back out into your camping area. You're going to notice you have the freestanding dinette with the chairs. Now, two of those chairs are folding chairs, so if you don't want to have them out, you can go ahead and put them away. And also, look what they do here. You have a nice little storage drawer in your table there. Of course, you do have the recliners. These are going to have the lighting system on them, which we have off right now, massage as well as heat. So as you can see through here, kind of give you another vantage point of what this looks like in here. Notice directly across from the recliners, you have your TV as well as a fireplace, drawers, AM/FM CD stereo with the DVD player. And take a look at this pantry. Nice thing is it's going to have an LED light. Notice how that light came on. LED light in there with the motion sensor. And look at all the space you have in there. Notice how they're set back a little bit. So that way there, if you want to put a mop or a broom in there, you've got room to set it out of the way. Next, you're looking over at the 3-burner cooktop along with your Furrion oven. And that is a good size oven, folks. Even comes with a little stone. Look at that oven. Good size oven. Notice the window behind your cooktop. Nice thing with that, along with your power vent fan up in the roof there. Turn that on, you're able to pull the air right on through. Now, a lot of times in a lot of your other RVs, when you have an oven, you do not get the convection microwave, but in this one, you do. You have the 110 outlet back there. In this coach, you're going to notice you're going to have massive amounts of 110 outlets. You have one on either end of your island. You have one here on your countertop. You have two more back here. Very easy to get to. You're going to have one under the dinette table. And then look at all your storage you have here. And these are deep drawers and nice and big drawers, so as you can see. And then back behind behind here, you're also going to have additional drawers and cabinet space under for your island. And of course, this has the one large sink, so you're not dealing with, you know, if you have a pan or whatever. Nice high-rise faucet. Let me give you one more look through here. So this is this area. Let's go on up into the bedroom area. As you're going to notice as you go up, there's no carpet on top of the steps, but you're going to notice they have a little nice little night light there and a little handle as you're coming up the steps. First thing you're going to notice is there's a pocket door for the bathroom, and folks, that is huge. Door's not in the way if you decide you want to sit in there with the door open. Plenty of cabinet space in here. I mean, look at how deep it is in there. When it goes back a ways, you know, it's kind of hard to see. Let me turn another light on here. So it goes back a ways in there. You got drawers, you know, more cabinet space. It's heated up here. You also have an AC duct, vent fan in the bathroom, skylight in the shower, as you can see. And then, of course, you do have more storage, counter space, and a medicine cabinet. Going into the bedroom, what you're going to notice, this is going to be the queen bed. Now, you can get this with a king bed if you wish, but what's going to happen is on either side, as you can see the little end tables you have on either side, you would lose that. So this is a real residential queen bed up here. And look at all the floor space you have between the bed and your dresser. Another thing I love about what Grand Design does is look at how high that bed gets up out of the way. Tons of space over there. If I need to get under here, I can step over to the side and I'm able to reach in there. Now, next thing you're going to notice in here is how large of a closet you have here. Now, you can put a dryer over here if you want, or you could put a combination dryer washer on this side, but massive space in there, as you can see. Let me give you another vantage point on what you're looking at here. Now, of course, you do have 110 outlets as well as USB on this side, and you'll have 110 outlets on the other side. You can put a second air conditioner up here. Nice cabinet spaces. Your dresser there, as well as an outlet on the side, outlet up above with your cable. So if you want to put a TV here, or you can even, some people just set the TV on the dresser there and end up putting it in on the bed when they're traveling. And of course, you do have your privacy door there. So you see down here, you notice how you have no floor ducts for the heat. So this is a 2018 337 RLS by Grand Design RV. I hope you enjoyed the preview. For more information on this camper or any others, be sure if you call, if you email, or if you stop by, you ask for Paul the Air Force Guy. Check out my vlogs every Sunday. Also have some how-to videos as well as product recommendations. And I got a ton more stuff coming, and we'll talk to you again soon. Take care.